Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is a ship channeling software which is web based and where you can manage your ship channeling services, and you can do activities, accounting and inventory reports and etc. And then you can see here, this is a setup tab, which has multiple options. You can set up your company, branches, customer, vessel, agents and warehouse departments, vendors and origin terms, ship ports setup, vendor setup, vendor item setup and item registration, which is can be used to in multiple occasions, quotations, orders and etc. Vendor contract can contract for vendor. We have also added a vendor contract which can be set the prices of vendors, and then fixed account setup and yuan setup, category currencies and etc. much more. And then we have activities where you can create events, and in quotation log where you can see events and quotation of events. And there's a baseline log creating after creating events and quotations, and after we create a VSN, which is charge M. And the code log, quotation entry page and order entry page, charge list. We have where you can create a purchase order, delivery order, final invoices and much more. And we have accounts tab, chart of account, employee registration, vendor payment, voucher, receipt, voucher, expense voucher, bill invoice, income bill invoice and much more. And we have inventory, stock item registration, opening stocks and stock purchase order, full stock PO purchase and sale returns, and the stock ledger and much more. And we have reports. We have multiple reports and which is used in the software, like order, invoice and more. And the accounts have also report, accounting reports, which is separated from the report page, so we can organize the as you likes and reports. And then in security there are user write and user delete, and which support, which is online support we can use. And in this dashboard we have multiple options for pending quotations, pending VSN, pending order, receive invoice, pending invoice. And this is are the tabs for the setups. This is setup tab where you can go to the setup activities and accounts, which is also have here for quick linking. And we can see the company setup. This is a company setup which you can create, where you can create a company or edit exist one, which I can do here and then save. And in company where you can add multiple branch on this like this. I have already created our USA branch on the company, yeah, where you can edit exist one also. And then where you can create customers. This is a customer setup where your customer details are name, types and category, general informations, billing information or end customer discount, where you can add discount of customer by departments, where you can add more departments from the department setup here. And customer contact, this is a customer contact where you can add customers contacts, like for captains and their own. After creating a customer, you can create a vessel. Is a customer wise. You have to first create a customer, then create a vessel like this. I have created an Anglo ship Astron customer. Then I have created a super servant tree name vessels, which is here, and you can add the details for it, and after that you can set up warehouse department vendors and the item registration setup. uh, this is a item registration setup where you can add items here by item name, departments, and unit of measurement, sale price, currency, category, warehouses, where you first have to add warehouses here from the warehouse setup. Then category, brand, subcategory, then you have to add vendors from vendor setup. Then you can select here vendor setup from there. Then after you created the items, then you can create events. Events is created by customer and vessels, so you have to create both before the create event. Like there I have already created Anglo, so I selected this, and the vessel I have multiple layer. Then I select cargo. Then I have name, or this is a contact from the customer contact page. If I select the contact, then his name, email, or phone, or get from the contacts setups, where you can select a warehouse or add a warehouse from here, like this, port and ship ports. Then after you save the event, then it goes to the event update page, like this is the code log page where you can edit your event and their code. If I click this event, then the codes are open of these events. Then I double click on this, so you can edit your event or add more codes of it. So I have this event created here, and then you can add code from here. I already created cabin department, so I create a deck which can be here customer reference for your reference. This is a line of code, so you can estimate it. You have estimated lines, so your items you have to enter, then you can select here. Then you can return via services, you can select here. You can also select your users from here. Then save code. If you save code here, so it directly redirect to your code entry page of this code. So this is a code new which is empty, so you have to enter your item before, so you have to select here item. I already added multiple items, so you can add here and their quantity. Then press enter, then you have item saved success. So after that you can do RFQ and pricing. RFQ for the vendor. You don't know the vendor price, then you can get from their vendor the price from RFQ, and the pricing is for sale price. You can set by there, so you can gross profit and markup add, like I add there 50% markup or 50% gross profit, so it add land cost and profit to their profit. Then after the completed, you can save here. It asks you, have you completed the sale price, then okay, then sell price check is okay, price updated. Then it will redirect you to the coordinate page which is edit the sell prices. Then you can flip to the VSN and do import export like bulk quantity items, and you can import. Then after that I created deck department. So I have this reference added to this. Then I select only this one and I refresh and proceed to this amount. Then it will redirect you to order. It will redirect me to the order. Then I can edit the quantity if I want. Then I can do also the proceed create VSN. If I don't want to proceed, then don't flip and close. Then click close, so it will redirect you to backward. If I created a proceed VSN, it will load the charge list of VSN just I created of the charge. It will open the charge list like this. I have already created multiple charge on this VSN. So the last one I created last one is this one deck department. So I created a create PO. Then it will redirect to the purchase order, and I will create here the purchase order. It will create a purchase order of this item, and it will send to the vendor also. Like this is a purchase order of full VSN. Yes, I want to create this one, so I select this one and then print selected PO. So it will print the select PO. Then it will open the purchase order for printing, which is added like that. It will directly the print for, and you can see here there is a send to, send to, ship to, and buyer, and description for the I created the event. All then closes, and after you open the purchase order page, it will get the purchase order all you have created. Like this I have created this one now. So I for PO purchased purchase for purchasing receiving. Like this it's open the PO purchase receive, this for receiving. This is the vendor name, and you can select here for receiving or received. Then it will get the quantity, and for receive all, then it will get the pricing, gross amount, and then net amount, where you can charge, add delivery charge, and much more things here. So if you save it will receive ask if you have received quantity for this, then okay. The term is changed. Do you want to change terms? Yes, okay, term is changed, and it will receive all the purchase order I have created, the save submission received. Then we will get back there and then refresh it, then it will refresh the page, and will get the received quantity, which is I have received 20. Then I will create a delivery order for this, like this.